Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix calculator not working or not opening on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search, look for calculator, right click on it, go to app settings, and on app settings what you need to do here next is to just scroll down until you see reset, and then press repair, wait for a couple of seconds until it's done, and then press reset, right? Hit reset. And then after reset is done, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here next is to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you just need to write sfc // scan now, right? And wait until scan process is done. And after scan process is done, you just need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to calculator, right click on it, go to app settings, and then here it will be uninstall button, uninstall it. Then go to Microsoft Store, look for calculator and install it again. And look if the problem persists, but it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it.